Hey guys, JDizzEats, and today we're doing another how to make in quarantine again. And today I am going to teach you how to make your homemade Tim Hortons ice cap right here. So since you're in lockdown or quarantine, you don't want to go out, and you wanted ice cap so bad, why not make it at home? So I will show you the ingredients for how to make this Tim Hortons ice cap right here. So yeah, let's head into the steps. First step, you'll need a blender, and we will put 2 cups of ice. One half cup of instant coffee. 1/2 cup of milk. And 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And blend it. Once done, we're gonna put our ice cap in here. Oh. Look at that mess. There we go. Oh. We'll have our leftover for that later, a bit. Whoa, look at that. That is your homemade Tim's ice cap. We're now done making our Tim Hortons ice cap homemade. And it's pretty simple ingredients. So when I go to Tim Hortons, I usually have cream, but since I don't have cream at home, I use milk as an alternative. And I did sometimes have milk on my ice cap, sometimes when I go to Tim's. But we're gonna give this a taste. So it's not exactly like Tim's, but it is enough, the presentation. It's good enough. It's like an ice cap. Well, the difference is the instant coffee. It's not the instant coffee they use at Tim's. The instant coffee I used is coffee from Thailand. It's a product. And what else in here? I use milk on here, but just so you know, people would use cream for their ice cap, and I did use milk when I was there, but I use milk for here. So yeah, this is pretty nice here. Sweetness here. I'd probably rate this ice cap, the Tim Hortons homemade, I think a 9 out of 10 again. I like it's pretty sweet. It's comparable to Tim's. It's good enough, but only thing I would change is it's too liquidy right here. Most of the ice are attached on the middle, but when you go to the bottom in here on the sides, it's all just coffee liquid in here. So that's the thing I didn't like about it, but anything else, nice and sweet. It's a different instant coffee. It's a Thailand style, and if I had cream, this would made it so delicious on this. Cheers. Anyway guys, that'll be it for this video. Please give ice cap a try, homemade Tim's. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment for any suggestions, and subscribe for more videos and content. And guys, I'm gonna enjoy my ice cap in quarantine. And bye!